shelf, so I got a little room. This is called the Dragon. So we're gonna get another first-person coaster review. So shoot some in the queue, but you get pretty much right on. So it's right through that door, and the next thing you know, you're on the ride. We're getting to go on some rides. Cool little coaster. It's kind of like Barnstormer. If you've never been on Barnstormer, I don't know what to compare it to for you, but we're about to get right on. It's a walk-on. So here's the Dragon. Awesome. And they got cubbies over there, so you leave your backpack over there. All right, I got to freehand this, so no gimbal.
Make sure it doesn't fall out on the side.
I got it. I'm good. No gimbal, so it's going to be a little bouncy. Here we go.
What's wrong with you? You sweet, he won't hurt you. He's got a tail, rusted in his
You gotta love the theming.
That's slingshot. I can't believe you've done this.
Like, look at this. This is crazy. Right? So the beginning of the ride is like Mine Train in the middle. And just so you know, I can't actually see my camera because my hand's over it because I don't want to drop it. So I'm going to do the best I can. Looks like me trying to get off the Skyliner. I guess here we go. Good thing this is like Barnstormer, because if not, I wouldn't be able to hold this. And since we have the coaster to ourselves, I'm taking my mask down. There's literally nobody on the coaster with us, Belle. And for those of you who think that's crazy, look behind us. Woo! There's no one there. Here we go.
Where's your mask? Oh.
Oh. I should have sat on the right side. And if you're looking directly into the sun, that's my bad. But up and over we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Oh! Gimbal's way easier. Whoa! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! There you go. There's the Dragon. Awesome. Nice, quick, fun coaster. So we're done with Dragon. It's a fun little ride. It's over in like 10 seconds. But it's super cool. It lets you do a couple little quick things. You get to see it. You're up, you're down, it's over. Let's go get on something else. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.